Hi, welcome to this week's Customer Corner. Some of you may recognize me. I'm Brad Greene from our Facebook Live grilling sessions. Today we're going to talk about how to make your 4th of July grilling season that much better. Well, to start off grilling, you're going to need your fuel, and we have you covered there. We now have the Blue Rhino propane exchange for anybody using a gas grill. You can exchange it, or if you lost your tank, you can just purchase a new one. Now we're making our way into the backyard and barbecue section. You can see we've got a great selection of Weber grills, Traeger grills, Ooni pizza ovens, and my personal favorite, the big green egg. Now that you know that we have your propane, now we have everything for your smokers. You can see we have lump charcoal, we have the Traeger pellets, big green egg, as well as all of your selection for the different types of smoke you may or may not want. We also have a great selection over here of all the different flavors. So you've got your grill and you've got everything to get it started. Now you need the accessories. As you can see, we got the full lineup of Traeger accessories, from grill covers to this handy shelf for your smoker, as well as grill cleaners, spatulas, and the drip tray liners, which is exceptionally important, especially on those longer smokes. And as you follow back around here, you can see we've got our big green egg selection as well. They have probably the greatest selection I've ever seen in everything you could possibly need, from the cookbook, pizza stone, and I highly recommend the egg mitt. These things will save your hands. Also, we have a great selection of the pans that you may use if you want to do a sear. You also can see we've got everything from woks to different fire boxes in here. And not to leave out our gas grill friends, you can see we've got a great selection of all the Weber accessories as well, from brushes to thermometers. This one's actually really cool. You can actually pair it with your phone, so you don't even have to go outside to check. Another thing to keep in mind for all the guys out there smoking, whether it be brisket to a pork butt to a whole pig, Peachy's butcher paper is great to let it hold the heat and let that meat really marinate as you're setting it in. Now, one thing you can't forget while grilling, possibly everyone's favorite part, is the beverages. Don't forget we are an authorized Yeti dealer as well. We have a great selection of coolers to cups to your koozies. Thank you for watching this week's Customer's Corner. Please stop by and see us, get all your grilling supplies. And don't forget, back-to-back world champions, happy 4th of July.